We have planned a surprise.
One Tony Water Store. Check it out, alright? That is.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? It's been a while. I haven't talked to you guys like since like my birthday. I've been trying to start a vlog, but it's just not working. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Shakay. I am a Jamaican content creator. I do lifestyle, beauty, and I'm a Christian, so I will do faith-based content eventually. So it's Friday, and as you know, I'm not at work, so today I decided I'm gonna be doing like a deep clean. I'm gonna be doing like resets and all of that. Well, I don't know if everything will be done today, but for this vlog it's gonna be the reset, so the deep cleaning of my room, my bathroom, the house. I don't think I'll be showing the house, just my room, making over my rooms to make it look like fall, because it has been looking like this for about a month now. So I want to change out the colors, make it more neutral and more fall looking. So yeah, I'll be doing that today, hopefully. And then I want to also do like goal setting, talk about what I want to do for the month of October and things I want to achieve for the month of October. So yeah, things like that, amongst other things. So right now I'm gonna be heading into Kellett's. I'm gonna be visiting my workplace, that's for one, and then I'm gonna run some errands in the town, get some stuff. I want to get a sheet. I'm trying to find like, oops, don't fall. I'm trying to get a brown sheet. My mom showed me this brown sheet, right, but it has the orange on it, but that's not the only problem. The pillowcases are orange, which I did not want, and also we can only find one pillowcase, so I think she said something wrong with the other one, so the other pillowcase can't find. So that's the next issue. So I'm gonna see if I can find a brown sheet in Kellett's, see how that work out for me. And I have some other things I want to get, so I don't know if I'm gonna bring the camera. I might bring the camera, or I might just use my phone, I'm not sure, but you guys will be getting a vlog, so just come along with me. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and yeah. Hey guys, so I am now in Kellett's. Just left my workplace, and it was nice seeing my kids today and some of my coworkers. Yeah, so just left. My plan is to stay so long. We just plan to drop off something and go home, but they were saying hi, so I said hi. So we go up to meet with them. So yeah, going to visit the pharmacy now. Morning. So I got what I needed from the pharmacy. Just gonna pick up something for my dad. That was quick. Good things they did come before, so I didn't have to wait. I want to go and ask this man, picture man, like how much a print picture. Come on, print some pictures. So I'm gonna do that. This is the only color I'm finding. Why am I not finding any dark brown? Hey guys, I am back home. I look horrible, like I feel horrible. I'm so tired. Jesus. I'm not used to the road anymore. As I say, I was trying to find some stuff. Did not get the sheet. They don't have a brown sheet that I want. They have like the beige one that I was showing you, and that was it. Never find the other one. But yeah, so I'm gonna really get half of my go for. I'm gonna show you what I do. First of all, I got some wrapping paper. I wanted the clear one because I have a Bible that, oh, that's cool. I have a Bible that it's like the thing off it a strip, so whenever I touch it, it's like it's never come off, and I hate that. So I wanted to wrap it clear because I wanted to keep the blue, the dark blue thing on it, but they don't have any, so I bought a blue one. I bought a toothbrush, one for me, one for my sister. I just stacking up on some of my what do you call this? I stack up on some toothpick, toothpaste, shower cap. I'm gonna get a sleep cap. It's not the sleep cap that I wanted, honestly. I wanted like the bonnet looking one. So they look at something with the front, there's something in my front, like the headband wig, but this is the one I got. So I can't find the one I had, so that's why I needed to buy one. And then the shower cap I have at the moment seems like it's just old, so I bought another one for us in the back. It's also purple. So, and then I got an exfoliating scrub for face and body, and it's a coconut kind of smell. That's all. I really wanted to get the sheet because I really wanted to clean my room. Like, guys, I don't want to see my room. Like, look there, that's cute. It's not cute, not cute at all. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, because it means that I'm gonna have to wash first before I can actually clean my room. I don't like that. So it is like way later, and I'm gonna start my room now. So is it this cleaning, deep cleaning kind of thing that was supposed to happen in this vlog? It not gonna do for this vlog. I think I'm gonna do it like probably next week. I'm not sure. I'm not get no sheet, and that just discouraged me. So it's like I don't know if to put on my bed. I really wanted the fall things, you know. I have the, let me show you. I did a haul when I got these, so I have the, it's not from Shein, I just put them in some Shein bags. I have the cushion covers, right, and I have the, what do you call this, the blanket. But what I don't have is everything else. I don't have no sheets, I don't really have no curtain. I can get a curtain because I have white curtain and my sister have a brown curtain. But when I come on to the sheets now, and then show me up to bed in here, and then more I change up my room. When you're in frustration. It's 5:37. So what can I do now? This would have to be like a late evening kind of thing, and I have an event tomorrow, so I have something that I have to prepare. So like one video or one something for me auntie birthday thing, and then tomorrow will be the birthday surprise party, which I'll carry you guys along. So that's gonna be a part of this vlog instead of all I plan to do. So yeah, this is just how vlogging goes, because life is not what you plan, it just happens. So I'm tired for sugarcoat up life. Life is just life. Life is lifing, okay? Yeah, so that not gonna work out for this week, so I'll just do everything like next week, start off fresh. I really wanted it to be done from like the 1st of October, but it did not work out, and it's just how life is. I wasn't feeling well, so it's like I wasn't pushing to do anything. For 3 days I was like in excruciating pain. Yeah, the worst cramps me ever feeling in my life. So yeah, plus nausea, and I don't know, it was just terrible. So me never really in a mood for do nothing. I was lying down for pretty much 3 days doing nada. So yeah, so today the fact so honest in my bed like this. Normally when I take up clothes, it not take long to put up. Not this long. It's been here for like 2 days. Some for 3, some for 2. Yeah. So, and it's still not gonna touch tonight. So I'm not gonna keep for that. coming up with time for him. So what next day for him? So that's that. But I'm gonna try and figure out my room situation so that by next week, so I'm gonna plan that out. So by next week, so Monday or so, I'm gonna be starting that vlog. So that vlog will consist of my reset for the October. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I don't know if this look good for my head top, I don't know. But hey guys, it's the next day. It is Saturday. Man, I'm so wet. Oh my god. Anyways, so today we are heading down to OG. I think I told you guys yesterday, I'm not sure. So we're heading to OG because we have a surprise birthday party for one of my aunts. So we're going to be heading there. I have to go kind of early-ish because I may have a decoration them. Which mega decorates. Yeah, I think I told you guys that yesterday. So I'm gonna be decorating. But anyways, the theme of the party, we're supposed to be wearing something camouflage. So I have on this black top and the only camouflage bottom will have some so yeah, it's a jeans pants. I'll insert a picture right here when I do take a picture. So yeah, so that is that. I just drop on my little glasses because it is at a beach side. So I did bring a bath suit. I don't know if I swim, but I did bring a bath suit. So that is that. I'm gonna put on my wig, I'm gonna do my edges. So yeah, and I also brought my tam in case I decide I want to come back home like this. Yeah. So yeah, we're almost ready to go. We're supposed to be leaving at 8:30. I'm not so sure what time now, but yes, I'm gonna just get my things together and then we'll go. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, ꨄThanks. I'll be taking over today. Yes guys, so we have got a surprise. Shh. Why? Edit that out. Edit that out. What are y'all doing? So guys, I'm in charge of blowing the balloons. We have the 6.
But give me.
Hi Janelle.
Hi.
Hi Ken. So guys, this is us setting up. Let me show y'all a full view. Sorry. My videographer today. That's the only job I have. So yeah, we're at Ochi Bay. In Ochi Rise. Oh, my put this up. So we're at Ochi Bay in Ochi Rise celebrating our aunt 56th surprise birthday party. She does not know that she's getting a surprise party. Yes. And here it's her cousin, her cute cousin. Yes. So yeah, we're gonna finish setup. Hey guys, welcome back. We're hosting for Shakay's vlog. Yes. So where cake there?
Say hi to the vlog.
Hello. So
above the bed.
all the pretty people in our family.
Pretty people.
You're the vlogger. So hello.
Alright guys.
120 water spoon. Check it out, alright? That is it.
That is it. As in here a while ago, if you want when you come at Ochi Bay, and you come and want on a boat ride, you link up Tony. Alright? Guys, they're now in hiding. Everybody in hiding. You look like a soldier them. Everybody is in hiding.
Oh, there.
extra is my cousin right
No,
now.
I'm not a sinner.
The extra.
I'm not a
The
sinner.
extra. My cousin is
So,
extra.
being the oldest, I think I'm the oldest, right? Wait,
Which part?
I'm the oldest
Oh.
great-grandniece,
Oh.
right?
Yeah.
I'm the first great-grandniece, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it will be my honor on behalf of all the grandnieces and grandnephews.
You don't know what?
Thank God. Anyway, on behalf of all of us, I want to wish you a happy birthday, and I hope you live to see many more years to come. Enough life, enough blessing, more food, enough good cooking food, auntie. I know they did not tell you that it was a surprise. That's why I'm not never carrying no food for me. But next time, Aunt Elaine tell Auntie say she will cook, so she will cook. Auntie.
Work when she's supposed to relax.
No one.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.